wonder would you like my music? If I was dead, you missing me. Well, did you even hear what I said? Don't need your mouth to listen to me. In your head is the sound of a train wreck. When I slide my hands up and down my neck, you got caught, you just got caught. You got caught jugging now. You got caught, you just got caught. You got caught jugging now. A look at the book you were reading. Oh, that's noise. Oh, that's noise.
What are you doing?
No, nothing. Get out. What is that? Oh, a fishing pole. That's great. Go catch a big bass. But I'll be here sitting on my ass. I sit on my ass. I sit on it good. Sit on my ass, cause it feels so. Sit on my ass, I sit on it good. Sit on my ass, cause it feels so good.
Freaking tired.
From what?
Oh, work though, I'm freaking tired. God.
I even played football. I might have caught a pass if I wasn't on the bench, sitting on my ass, sitting on my ass, sit on my ass, and I sit on it good. The naked dirty dance. Naked, 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 naked Arabian. Naked, 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 naked Arabian. Naked, 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 naked Arabian. Naked Arabian. Naked Arabian. In my house. I'm just an average grease monkey. Yes, you guessed, a tractor farm junkie. When it comes to making love, I take a shot of whiskey. Stop thinking about tractor parts, yes, I guess he's pretty. You can take a farm boy from his farm. Try to take his tractor, you better be armed. Pushing my tractor every day, pump it real hard, she takes it anyway. If I ride her too hard, I hit the safety switch. She is bitch. Some people say I'm crazy. Fuck this shit! Fuck your fucking new car with your fucking ass star. Fuck your fucking beauty mark. Fuck! Fuck your fucking hairdo. Fuck your fucking new shoe. Fuck your fucking YouTube. Fuck! Fuck this shit! Fuck this shit! Fuck this shit! Fuck! Fuck this shit! Fuck this shit! Fuck this shit! Fuck! Fuck your fucking cell phone with your fucking ringtone. Wish you fucking go home. Fuck!
Woke up this morning, got myself a chew, sat around for an hour, thinking what the hell am I gonna do? So I watched a little TV and got myself a great plan. Went and put on some dirty clothes, jumped in my rusty van, took the back roads to the city, fucking flying down the road with the pedal to the floor. Through the country I did soar, going to get a cockroach. Don't you try to stop me. Going to get a cockroach. Shit, it's gonna sting. Going to get a cockroach. Surprise my wife this evening with my big old badass cockroach.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey, it's me. I was thinking maybe, tonight we could smoke some weed and then I got a second. Anyway, I thought later tonight we'd get some weed and smoke it. Then I'll take you out in the middle of the street and fuck you in the ass. Later.
Damn, I love them melons. Fresh melon, 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 fresh melon. Days in a parking lot, watching those melons rot. Been selling them melons all day. For him there's no other way. Wiping off tears from the sounds you hear. Wishing these songs to be around for years.